we are going to look at double cross stitch. So I've mentioned before that cross stitch is its own embroidery. You will have seen it, you will have maybe had a go, and it's probably equally as popular as needlepoint embroidery. But you can use cross stitch without the special fabric. As you can see, we did some for a demonstration for the embroidery glossary. But what we're going to do today is double cross stitch. So we have our cross stitch done already. We're going to add a second cross stitch over the top, going in the opposite directions. So this gives us almost a star look to the stitch. So you're going to try and come up around about the middle of your top line. I'm using a different coloured thread so you can see it a little bit better. Then go straight down. So the good thing about cross stitch is it is just a straight stitch. It's just where you're positioning it is different. Then we're going to come up here and go across that direction. Or actually, let's come across here. Use less thread. You have a star. So if you are using this as a border in a stitch journal or some kind of decorative feature at the bottom of an apron or a shirt, this can make your cross stitch look a little bit more interesting and more complicated when actually it's not actually that hard. That is your kind of uniform double cross stitch. I'm just going to do some other little crosses down here, double crosses, so you can see what it looks like without the lines, without the formality. Let's have a look. So there's a little cross. I'm going to add the double stitches. On something this small, it's going to look a little bit clumpy. But I think that works as a little tiny flower. I'm going to do one slightly bigger so you can maybe see better. But each little point is like a little petal. Let's do one a bit bigger. There we go. I think that would look really nice as a little flower or a little twinkling star in a nighttime scene. Very easy to do. Basically just reworking your straight stitch in different directions. That is a double cross stitch.